This is a piano tutorial for Up on a Roof, this time as a piano accompanist. So, in this instance, we don't need to play the melody in the right hand. Someone will be singing the melody, and you just play the chord in the right hand, and the left hand plays a root note down low, which is the note the chord's named for. So, I'll show you the chords here first in the right hand. You start on a G chord like this. B, D, and G. When this whole world starts to, that's a G chord, B, D, and G. Getting is an E minor, B, E, and G. Getting me down. And people is a C chord, C, E, G. People are just too much, A minor, A, C, E. For me to take. There's a G chord again, A minor is A, C, E, G is B, D, and G. I climb right up to the top of the stairs. Top is an E minor, B, E, G, and all is a C chord, C, E, G. All my kids just drift, A minor, A, C, E, right into space. That's a G chord, B, D, and G. On the roof, that's a C chord, C, E, G. On the roof, it's peaceful. That's a C6, C, E, G, A on top. As can be, that's a C major 7th, C, E, G, and B. It goes back to the C6. And there is a G chord, B, D, G. There the world below. That's an E minor on below, B, E, G. Don't bother me. C, C, E, G, and a D chord, D, F sharp, and A. It repeats itself, and then it's up, D, A, D, F. Up, on is an A minor, A, C, E, the roof, a G chord again, B, D, G, and then it does an instrumental thing there. So if you play the other version of it as a soloist, you already played that. It's E minor there, E, G, and C, A minor, G chord. At night, there's a C chord, so you're going to play it there. At night, the stars, C, G, put on. C6 chord, C, E, G, A, the show for free, C major 7th, C, E, G, B, back to C6, then darling, there's a G chord, B, D, G, you can share, E minor, B, E, G, it all with me, C, C, E, G, D chord, A, D, F sharp. I keep telling you that right is a G chord, B, G, B, D, G, smack dab in the middle, E minor, B, E, G of town. I found a C chord, C, E, G, a paradise, A minor, A, C, E, that's trouble-free. And if this world starts to getting you down, getting is an E minor, B, E, G, there's room enough, C, C, G, for two, A minor, A, C, E, up on the roof, G, B, D, G. So those are the chords for your right hand. The left hand is pretty much the root note, the note the chord's named for. Down low is the bass note. So when I'm playing a G chord here, guess what I play as a bass note? G. When I play a C chord, C. When I play an A minor, A, and so on. So work on it hands alone. And then when you're ready, put it hands together. And it sounds like this. When this old world stops getting me down, and people are just too much for me to take, I climb way up to the top of the stairs, and all my cares just drift right into space. On the roof, it's peaceful as can be, and there the world below don't bother me. Up on the At night the stars